Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So take some concealer or foundation and apply on all your dark spots and then blend it all out. Next, I'm using this Mars Back to Basic eyeshadow palette and using this red shade and just applying it generously and just do it basically. अच्छे से apply कर दीजिए as much as you can and then blend it all out with finger or brush. And मेरे पास ये red lip liner थी, so I'm using that as a slight kajal type, but अगर आपके पास red kajal है तो use that. Now I'm using this green shade from the palette and applying it on the outside corner of the eye, corner of the eye and under the eye as well. इतना अच्छा मतलब कलर नहीं है आ रहा था, मतलब कैप्चर नहीं हुआ कैमरा पे, बट या बेसिकली मेक योर फेस as much as red you can. So with some blush, basically I'm adding blush. As you can see, I've blush blindness, of course. Now with the same lip liner, I'm drawing a circle like this. This is going to be our cute strawberry. Now using the same lip liner to line my lips, and now I'm using some kajal, yeah, to make it bold, and then applying some white kajal under the in the waterline of the eyes, yeah, and on the side as well. It just enhance the look. Now using this same white kajal as the dot, like those seeds on the strawberry. Have you seen it? Yeah, I'm drawing those. And now applying some lipstick to match the look. Applying the same pink or reddish lip as whatever you want. Now this is the final look. Apply some plant on the strawberry with the green kajal or green lipstick if you have. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.